Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create luxury product launch banner using custom shapes. Start with a black gradient background for a premium base, then add custom shapes and switch their fill to metallic gold. Use duplication to create layered reflections. Convert each shape into a chrome effect using bevel. Place your product image right in the center. Then add a soft spotlight behind the product. Use thin line shapes to build a premium frame. Adjust opacity to add subtle shine. Also insert the brand name using a serif font. Then add a VIP badge using circular shapes. Create a luxury shadow under the product.